According to the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, 91.8% of mortgages are current and performing at the end of the fourth quarter, while the number of loans in foreclosure year over year fell by 45.9%. Meanwhile, on Thursday, there was very little change in mortgage rates on mixed economic reports. Conforming no-point 30-year fixed rates still average 4 3/8, with 15-year rates closer to 3 3/8. And now for something completely different. The number 57 on Heinz ketchup bottles represents the number of varieties of pickles the company once had, not to be mistaken with the number of U.S. states President Obama traveled to in the 2008 campaign. For more information on a home purchase, refinance, or reverse mortgage, visit our website at aramco.biz or call me at 866-381-8888. This is Mehran Aram for UTTV.